डरना नहीं है बच्चा पार्टी। टाइगर इन द जू में है या जंगल में है। आज की क्लास में आपके लिए 15 इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs का एक टेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। सो गेट रेडी टू रॉक। सो हेयर इज क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट। हाउ शुड द टाइगर वॉक थ्रू द ग्रास? विथ सैडनेस, विथ हैप्पीनेस, विथ प्राइड, विथ confusion? Select your option. So easy question. So right option is yes, you have selected option C, with pride. How does the tiger feel in the cage? He was in sad mood, in angry mood, in happy mood, in surprised. So easy question. Done. Right option is option B. He was in angry mood. How should the tiger walk through the grass? With great difficulty, with practice, with ease, none of these. Select your option A, B, C or D. So right option is option C, with ease. Where is the tiger's strength locked? Behind the jungle, his nature, the grass, the bars. Select your option. I think you have selected. So easy question. So right option is option D, behind the bars. Why should he be lurking in shadow? Out of fear, out of danger, to catch the deer? Both A and B options. Selected. Right option is option C, to catch the deer. The phrase lurking in the shadow, बच्चा पार्टी, here it is shadow, phrase के ये place पर shadow है, means staying hidden, finding a way out, searching for prey, moving around. Right option is option A, staying hidden. What does tiger hear at night? Shouting of visitors, patrolling cars, his own breath, all of the above. A, B, C, D. No confusion. Yes, selected. Right option is option B, patrolling cars. In this question, nothing to think. Tiger, the visitors, ignores, admires, shouts at, attacks. So simple. Right option is option A, ignores. What a question. What is the caged tiger not likely to say to the visitors? Stop staring, set me free, go away, join me, welcome. So, which is the right option? Yes? Nothing to confuse. Right option is option D, join me. क्या कोई टाइगर कहेगा आओ मेरे पास? The tiger's brilliant eyes reveal that he, it is very important question, is nourished and healthy, hopes to be free and in the wild someday, enjoys staring at the bright stars, is well rested and hence wide awake. Yes, take it sincerely. Right option is option B, hopes to be free and in the wild someday. Tiger should be snarling around houses. What does snarling refers here? An attack, a shrill, sleepy tone, warning sound made by animals. Which one? Selected. Right option is option D, warning sound made by animals. The claws of the tiger are cut, uncovered, broken, smoothened. Not so easy. Think, rethink, then answer. So right option is option D, smoothened. Fangs are the sharp tooth of animals, claws of the animals, feathers, growling sound. Yes. A, B, C, D. Right option is option A, sharp tooth of animals. The tiger walks in the cage and doesn't bother about his power, his imprisonment, visitors, tourists. Think wisely before you choose the option. So right option is option C, visitors. Find the word which means same as pacing, strength, concrete, stalking, ignoring. Select your option very wisely. So right option is option C, stalking. So Bacha Party, your test is over. If you do have any doubt, any complaint, any suggestion, then please write me in comment box. So best of luck for your examination. God bless you all.